Alright, this is Pilot Properties Building 2715. We'll be doing a full sewer line main inspection. So here in the main line we have around 14 feet down we have an offset in the pipe. That offset can be pretty good at causing blockages just from the size of the separation we have in the pipe right there. Alright, so further down the line, 16 feet, we notice that we have some heavy corrosion going on down here at the bottom of the pipe. That right there can cause some more blockages. Essentially the pipe right there is rusting away. Okay, here at 20 feet in the main line, we see we have cancerous rust starting on the sides of the pipe, which also is a great place for more things to get caught into the main line. That can also cause the blockages right there. Alright, about 33 feet down the main line, we see a bunch of corrosion going on at the top of the pipe and the bottom. It looks like it's near a fitting that's heavily corroding. Right here, where you can see it painting down, that will cause a bottleneck and can cause more of a blockages happening around here. Alright, here at 60 feet we have more corrosion going on. We have a channel in the pipe that's happening where the water is basically etched out the pipe and has decided to create its own path through, which allows for more blockages to happen. Also, we have a small separation in the pipes here. You can see climbing up the sides and going up toward the top of the pipe. All right, here at 79 feet, 80 feet, we have a separation in the pipe where you can see the rubber Fernco holding it and coming through the pipe. That section right there should get replaced. It's also a good place for more blockages to happen in the main line. Also, the bottom of the pipe, if you look closely, you can see is corroding away and will not be there much longer. Alright, so here you can see the pipe is pretty corroded. We can see going down a ways that it's not a smooth pipe anymore. It's got too many pivots and dents in there. This area is a really good area for a lot of blockages to happen in the main line. This whole area right here should be replaced or either have a new runner blown down there just to help smooth it out.
Here you can see that the pipe is heavily corroded. You can tell by the camera head bouncing up and down that we have a lot of pits in the bottom of the piping. This corrosion lets us know that the bottom of the pipe is in very bad condition. This is what leads to blockages. Smooth piping should actually allow the camera to run through without any vibration or movement up and down. Makes it easier to see the piping. As you can see here, we've got a fitting here with heavy corrosion. Okay, right here we can see we have a tie-in at the city main. This is a tie-in to the city side cleanout that is out by the garbage cans. We can tell from this area, the main sewer line in this building is in very bad shape. If it is tended to here in the near future, we should be able to save this line by installing replacing the line underneath the building and blowing in a liner underneath the concrete area. If this line is allowed to go too much longer, the divot in the bottom will actually become so severe that it would either need to be pulled with a trenchless system or actually be dug up to make a proper repair. This ends the sewer inspection at 103 feet, and we'll advise Pilot Properties on the findings.